Okay, so right now I have a trade that is coming up for me. I want to simply be ready to grab it when it comes. This line, when it comes a little bit lower, meaning that this red line, which is my 610 EMA, is going to meet around here. This to me is a fantastic entry point right here, where both of these kind of meet one tick away from here. So everything is looking good. It's failed. As you can see, this has been an area that has been hit several times during the day. This is when the market opened, and bam, 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 it's hit it several times. Basically, it does not want to continue down. It does want to continue up. So now what I'm looking for is the perfect entry for my strategy. And this is when it's just a sit and wait game. So I could get a little bit more riskier by doing a 233 entry right here. This is just a teeny bit more risky because the 233, I like to go here, but since it has failed so much all day to go down, there is a high probability it will go up, considering it's also so high up with the MACD. So I always go in with a 2, and the first target is right here at 1. And these are the other 2 targets right here. Okay, so now it's basically just a waiting game. So my first target is at 1 point. My first risk is at 1 point. And chances of it to going all the way to here is very high. Right? So I like to draw in the areas because the market has a very high tendency to hit the same places over and over and over again. Okay, so excuse me, with this stronger bar, I feel a lot more better that it's going to get the first target. It's pushed out of this little consolidation, which it was doing. And this happens a lot, that you could be hit several times and not be filled. And sometimes it could actually turn on you, but you never know, right? So you have to stick it out. So the reason why I haven't decided to move down to here is because I don't have any divergence yet. I really look at this and the MACDs are definitely climbing higher. That means that there's still strength in the market to continue upward. And this is super frustrating, I will be honest with you, when it hits so many times and does not fill it. But this is just how it goes. If it continues this, I might actually target. Okay, so now that I have been filled here, chances are it's going to go, all right? I am immediately taking the risk off of the table. And now I already have my one contract filled right here. And now I'm waiting to see it go here. I mean, I could be super risky and go here, but I have to leave in a little bit. And quite frankly, I might just let this go with me leaving in the first place. That's the beauty of having profit in the bank and putting no more risk at the table. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's going to continue. This is also telling me that chances are it is getting into a transition area. So at this point, I have two things. I could just take a win right here, which will be, maybe one tick. It's better than having 0 on the table. Actually, it's at 2. I have to run, and chances are I got filled. So basically, this is my other entry at my other right here. So what happened here? Why did I do that? I have to go. It's also lunchtime. It's super slow, and I have a doctor's appointment. So I could have let it just either stop me out, or I could have, come back to see if it took a win or not. I am very vigilant. I prefer to sit and watch what the market is doing. And it's a pretty high chance that it would stop me out before it bounced back. So I'm quite happy. I have 6 ticks, which is 1.5 points in total with my 2 contracts. That's $75 right now. I'm good to go. And bam. As you can see, it would have totally stopped me out, meaning it would have given me a break even, but I'm quite happy with the 2 extra ticks. Hey, that's extra $25, right? I don't have to worry about my commissions, and I'm sitting on a profit. So this is how it works. And at this point, it will probably be a transition for a good part of the day. Maybe we'll pick up after lunch. Right now, it's still lunchtime. So around 1:30 Eastern, 2 o'clock, it might pick up. I'm hoping to be back from the doctors by then to see if I could do it. If not, I'm quite happy about it.